Choose mounting location. Apply blue Loctite 243. Place the top portion of mounting block onto top of stretcher rail. Align the bottom portion of the block with the top portion. Thread through and install the 4 1/4 inch by 1.5 inch socket head cap screws, leaving them loose initially. Tighten screws to 40 inch-pounds. Do not strip. Do not use power tools. To ensure safe and reliable operation of your roll and emergency cot onto block, the following maintenance procedures are recommended. Inspect the pole, clamps, mounting block, and mounting block pin for damage, cracks, abrasions, corrosion, or fatigue. Confirm that all moving parts, including rotating or telescoping elements, function smoothly and without resistance. Verify that the unit remains securely mounted with no unusual play, wobble, or instability. For further information, do not hesitate to reach out to our team. You can do so by heading to our website at www.rollandemergency.com.